Hi going there folks, Will here with the binaryace.com. First of all, welcome to the video, first video in a long time. Now today's video, my friend, is basically just a tutorial on how to, if you're using the binary ace Forex robot, on how to optimize it and basically backtest it on different time frames, different currency pairs to know the best settings to use. Now as always practice. Especially if you're using a robot, you want to test on strategy tester, optimize, get the best optimization for stop loss, take profit, time of trade, what chart, etc. And then you can test that in a demo and then go on the live. So I'm just going to show you today how to actually test. Now first off, what you really want to do is get good data. Now if you know how to import tick data into the chart, you can get it from Jacobsy.com or TickStory. So you can, and you'll be able to get the tick data in the chart. Now I use Pepperstone. Pepperstone allows me to download a whole load of data on the 1 minute chart. So what you want to do first is go to the History Center on your MetaTrader. It's just taking a bit of time today, guys. Tools. Basically, you want to go to History Center, go to Tools, go to whatever asset you want to use. So in this case today we'll use the EURUSD, and you want to download the 1 minute data. You can see here I've got the 1 minute data all downloaded for the euro. This allows me to go right back to 2000, maybe before. Well, it's enough anyway to test with. So I've got that data, and we're going off the higher time frame charts, so it's good. So I've got all that data. What you want to do is simply yourself, if you're using Pepperstone, go to EURUSD, go to the double click on 1 minute and go to download, and it will download all the data for you. Then just go, once that's done, just double click on all the time frames, and it'll be all downloaded for you. So it's pretty simple, and you do that for each currency pair you want to test. So we'll just close that. Hope I'm not talking too fast. I haven't made a video in a month or so, just getting back used to it. So what you want to do now is just get your robot on the charts here, new ace robot, and make sure you've got the indicator on the platform also, or the robot won't be able to test. So you need to have the binary ace indicator and the new ace robot. Okay, next you want to go to expert properties. So you do, this is for optimization. Okay, next you want to do the inputs. So for optimization we're only looking at these three here. So don't worry about trend setup, length, don't worry about none of them. You can test different ones if you want, but for this we're only looking for down the bottom here. So we're only looking for the max candles. You can see I've already got a step in here. We start at 7, 3, 20, so that's what I have it started at. We'll just go here, 3. That's just taking a bit of time today, MetaTrader, for whatever reason. Okay, and we'll just put in 4 there. Okay, so you can do that yourself. You can put 1 or 2 there, start. So what it's basically saying is it's going to start at 1 candle, and then it's going to jump up to 4, then it'll stop at 20. So it'll go 5, 6, 7. And look for lot size, doesn't really matter because you'll be able to scale that up when you get the thing. Stop loss, so we're going to start at 10, 20, 200. Again, 10, 20, 200. Okay, so we'll just click OK here. Okay, so I'm going to test last year, 2016. So 2016, 0101, and we're going to do the whole year on the 4-hour chart. we'll start off with the 4-hour charts and we'll work our way down, or even the 1 hour. So we'll do the 1 hour for today. Okay, so 1 hour chart, Euro USD. You can test whatever one you want. If you've got the robot, you can test whatever time frame you want. Just do what I'm doing here. Just make sure you have optimization ticked. Okay, now for this, just for speed reasons, we just make sure you have this one. Okay, open prices only. It's the fastest method, and I'll just get us a brief overview of what we're going to be expecting. So then you want to just basically hit start. I'm just going to pause the video and let this optimize here. So you can see we got 500 of 1280 returns. We'll just go to optimization results. So you can see here these are all the results that got us. We can just do the profit. Okay, so we have ones here, profit 2020 euros or dollars. We've had 13.38, so 13% drawdown, and see all the low drawdowns here. 13% low drawdown is not bad. So what we want to do now, this is the settings. What you want to do now is right click and set input parameters. Okay. Okay, set input parameters. We'll just make sure this is down. What we're going to do now is actually test this on stronger data. So what you're going to want to go to is the model. So don't worry about the screen there, guys. It's just a chart I've got open. So what we want to go to now is the model. So every tick is the most precise. So every tick, you just want to double click it or just click on it. MetaTrader is annoying today. Okay, so all good. Optimization, make sure that's off. All good, all good. Want to go to start. Okay, so this is it. We'll just watch this here using 1 hour data. Okay, guys, so we've optimized it. And you can see it here. I've just got the visual mode up just to make sure it's taking trades. Just enter the trade there. Okay, so there we've just tested that. Okay, and it's come back on the good data. So we'll just look at it here. So I had a drawdown 2%, and model and quality 90%. We can't get that at 99%, but we need to get tick data. So what we want to go back now and go, okay, that wasn't profitable. We go to the optimization results, and we pick another one. So just pick one. It's not too. Select which one, any one. Sometimes I find these ones down here on the open one are a lot better, even though they. So we'll try this max 3 candles. Do another one with you. So let's look through these ones. You can see the stop loss. They've got a lot of stop losses: 150, 170, 190. So you want something around about even. So try this one here. I'm just going to sorry, we'll try this one. Okay. So it looks pretty even. Set input parameters. Okay. And again, hit start. Visual mode. And you just do this for every currency pair and every time frame you want to test. You can test the lower time frames, you can test the 1 minute, the 5 minute, you can test the daily, the monthly, the weekly. But again, just do this process here. And we're looking at the trades now. Let's pause this and let it finish. You can see it's about to finish here. Okay, so you can see this one. Now we have had 129 trades. Profit factor 1.14. I do not like anything under 1. So if it doesn't have a profit factor under 1, I wouldn't try it. It's 1, 4, it's 15%, 16% drawdown on a 1 hour chart, not too bad. And a profit of 1,343. And of course, we're only doing a $1 lot size there, which on a $10,000 account will be a lot more. So if this, we usually would have done that on a $1,000 account starting, so you would have been up 100%. Short positions 167, profit 76.59. Okay. Profit trade, largest profit 161, loss 100, largest loss was 218. Okay. So what we want to do now is just simply right click and save the report. Okay. So Ace Robot 1 hour. So just put a code in whenever you want to test it. So the 1 hour chart. Okay. And hit save. Simple. And again, it should show you something like this. Okay. So it'll show you the trades. Test this in longer periods of time. You can test it more than quality 9%. Again, if you get the tick data from Tchaikovsky, it's free. You can get that up to 99%. I need to download it in this Pepperson account. Relative drawdown gives you the exact settings there for the inputs of the robot. What you would simply do is you want to test that in a demo now, and you go through to every single. You just want to test. So you go back to the strategy tester and just go to another result and see. You can. There's not many here. You can test all these in the 1 hour. Just test them all. See what comes out the best. Demonstrate it on the euro, and then just get on to another currency pair. So guys, I hope this video helps you. Any questions regarding testing, let me know. And if you haven't got the Ace Robot yet, you can see it during testing it works. Let me know. Get in contact all over to binaries.com. Thanks for watching, guys.